Hi, everybody. Welcome to week 8. This week we're going to finish up with comparative analysis. I'm going to ask you to Monday make a plan for revision and do an outline for revision, and then the final draft of the paper will be due on Tuesday. And then we're going to move over to the last paper. Paper 4 is your theory of writing. I'm going to ask you on Wednesday to write a journal entry with your preliminary thoughts on your theory of writing. And on Thursday, we are going to discuss the paper topic. And just like last week, this week is considerably pared down. You're not going to have a ton of assignments. The focus is the papers and getting caught up on any past due work. Priorities after papers are the journals and the quizzes and the midterm if you haven't completed them. Let me just quickly show you what the week looks like. Like I said, Monday, your plan for revision and your outline for the comparative analysis revision. Tuesday, we'll do the writing workshop. You'll complete your comparative analysis paper. Wednesday, the journal. Thursday, a discussion of the assignment for the theory of writing paper and a discussion about your theory of writing. Friday, just a review, and then catching up on work. All right, this is short, but I will see you on Tuesday unless I try to check in with you tomorrow. I will try to check in with you if your grade's below 70 or if you have any big assignments that are still out. If you get that little invited to meeting, blast on Teams, make sure that you answer it so I can help you get caught up if you're behind. All right, thanks you guys. See you Tuesday. Email me if you have any questions.